Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll explore why creating a Facebook page can be a game changer for MFDs and organizations. We'll look at what a Facebook page actually is, why you should create one, the pros and best practices to get the most out of it. And we'll also give you a practical demonstration of how to create one. So firstly, what is a Facebook page? So it is a free tool provided by Facebook for businesses, brands and organizations. Think of it as your digital storefront. It allows you to share updates, photos, videos and events while directly interacting with clients and prospects. In today's digital world, a Facebook page is often the first impression many customers will have of your business. Now, why should you create a Facebook page? Firstly, it expands your digital presence. It helps build trust, credibility with clients, showcases your services, testimonials of your already clients, and generate leads through both organic and paid reach. Most importantly, it keeps you connected with your clients on a platform they already use daily. Now let's look at the advantages. It's free and easy to set up. It boosts your brand's visibility and awareness. You can engage directly with your clients and leads. Facebook Insights give you powerful analytics, and with paid ads, you can target exactly the audience you want. All of this helps build professionalism and trust. Now that we understand what a Facebook page is and why it's important, let's move from theory into practice. I'll now show you step by step how to actually create a Facebook page. Step 1. Log in and find the page option. So first log into your Facebook account. As you can see, I already have mine open. Now head over to the menu. This is the grid-like icon with 6 dots. Click on it and under the Create section, you will see the option for Page. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the Facebook page creation screen. Here you'll need to provide your page name, category and bio. For example, I'm naming this page WebClass.in. For the category, choose what your organization is into. In our case, education, website, then web design. The bio is a short description of your company, limited to 190 characters only. For instance, for us, it will be company that provides website training and helps MFDs reach their potential. You can use ChatGPT to create a proper bio for yourself. Once that's done, click on Create Page, and just like that, your page is created. Now we add the details that make the page professional. So we add the contacts. So for us, we have to add the website, which will be WebClass.in. Then the phone number. For us, we have to go to India. Then our email address, which should be your professional email address. So location, you set your office address. And if you don't, it's fine. It is optional. You don't have to write it. And hours, you can say, let people know about your location's hours. So you can tell them, as I have not put any, I'll just keep it at no hours available. But if you want to select the open at selected hours, it will open this pop-up menu where it will ask you to write the exact time and date for every day, and then you have to save. Now at the bottom you can see page help. It says needs work. So it's basically trying to tell us what more you can add to impairing with the similar pages, that is pages having the same like web education, website, web designer. So it's comparing with that and telling you what more does it need. Next, add images or an action button. So let's add the profile picture and then the cover picture. And now you can add action buttons. For example, restaurants can use book now or start order. For MFDs and businesses, a contact us, visit website, or even send WhatsApp message button works best. Facebook also prompts you to connect your WhatsApp number, which we'll see in the next option. See, we are on step 3 of 5. Connect WhatsApp to your page. So Facebook is asking us to connect our WhatsApp numbers. If you add it over here, you will receive a code for verification, and once verified, your page will display a WhatsApp button for instant communication. Now step 5. You can invite your friends and grow your own page. Once your page is live, you can invite your friends to follow it. Remember, they must be in your friend list first. Next, you will come to the final step, which is stay informed about your page. From here, you will also receive notification, insights, and tips from Facebook to how to improve your page. And after clicking done, that's it. WebClass.in is now officially created. From here, you can customize the page further. That is, link your WhatsApp, refine your action button, add posts, build out your content. The professional dashboard is also available where you can track weekly progress, audience insight, and content performance. From here, you can also give your friends admin access. So over here you can give people exact tasks what they can do. So if they want to add new and then add this, etc. If they have Facebook access, so they can actively do all the stuff that you can do, same level. Or you can just give them normal task access like message, community activity, ads, etc. So in just a few simple steps, you have created your own Facebook page. So to make your pages effective, follow these best practices. Use consistent branding. Your logo, colors, and messaging should be professional and recognizable. Post regularly with value-driven content. Respond promptly to client messages and inquiries. Always use high-quality visuals and videos. Run small ad campaigns to increase reach. And finally, connect your Facebook page to your website and other platforms for a stronger digital presence. To summarize, a Facebook page is a powerful free tool that helps you increase visibility, engage with clients, and build trust. Yes, it requires effort and consistency, but when used correctly, it can take your business to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.
You can visit us at our website WebClass.in or at our research website research.webclass.in. You will get a lot to know about mutual fund schemes research. We also develop mutual fund distributors websites, and you can see it on mfd.webclass.in. You can write to us at my mail ID sanatbharadwaj@gmail.com. You can also write at services@webclass.in. My number is 8910492919.